Hey associates, this lecture is about project management strategies and genres for technical, professional, business, and personal productivity contexts. I'm going to talk about the documents that can capture, document, and provide direction. 3 verbs that are essential for staying productive and accountable in project and collaborative environments. You can use our note-taking guide to help you organize your thoughts and all those big actions, the what will I do because of this information. I will give you a few sound cues to help you stay organized in your notes too. This sound means a segment or major topic. Think a heading, and a short ding is a key point you should write down. After each section, you will hear this sound, which means stop and check your notes because it's a recap. I will also give you a where I recommend stopping and returning another time to stay fresh and focused. Don't listen in one go. You will start zoning out, so break it up. You have all week. The first section gets into the why of documenting the actions and situations in a project. The second section dives into the most common genres across workplaces with practices for effective writing. And the final section covers more roles and niche specific genres to be aware of and their uses. Let's get started.